Pretty little black skin girl. Yeah. Pretty little diamond ring. Oh, Caribbean beauty.
Hey my chocolate babies, welcome back to another YouTube video with your girl Different Chocolate, and welcome to the new viewers, and I hope you guys like my content. If you do, please like, comment, and also subscribe. I want to get my hair done, and I wanted to get my nails done, but I'm just going to apply some press-on nails and I'm going to get my toes done. I don't know when, but y'all will see. I feel like I'm not giving the black girl energy that I want to give, so I'm going to get my hair done and my nails, because why do I feel like this, right? So y'all must be laughing at me, especially my friends must be like, oh, I'm to the girl. But for real, I'm not feeling like myself. So in order to feel like myself, I have to start somewhere. And starting somewhere, I'm going to start with my self-care. And guys, I don't know what's up with my skin, but my skin needs some attention. Especially my face. The rest of my body, okay, you know. But my face needs some attention because I've been having these breakouts where I don't usually have breakout like this. Like if a bump, a pimple, anything is on my face this week, then the next week you're going to see another one, and I need to fix that. I'm looking crazy now because I'm going to my hairstylist to get my hair done. So yeah, look at my face. I have small bumps on my face. You know what I need to stop doing? I need to start doing. I need to get something for my face. Some oils, lotion for my face specifically, because I've been using body lotion on my face and that's not right. I've been reading up and it's not right. I should have my face lotion, my face soap, my face rag. I should have things on my face that I do not use on my body, right? And I should stop touching my face because I realize that I have major breakouts, so I should stop. But because it's a habit, I'll just touch every minute. But guys, I hope you guys can give me some advice in the comment section. I feel so sad. I feel sad and deprived. I need a hug. So give me some hugs in the comment section. I need a hug. I don't feel like myself. A part of this self-care, mental health care video, I am also going to give you guys some tips that I use whenever I'm feeling down, so you guys can use them, or maybe you guys can comment down below and tell me what you do or what you use whenever you're not feeling like yourself. This is a way that I get over whatever I'm getting over. I pick up my phone and I start to vlog. It's like I'm talking to somebody. It's not really talking to somebody, it's not a conversation, but it's me letting off something. You understand? Some emotion, some feeling. Whew. It's kind of feel good. So I'm going to get my hair done. I think I want to buy a soap for my face. I'm really skeptic with using soaps because most of the soaps are toners, and I don't want to tone my complexion because I'm so beautiful. My complexion is so wonderful, so magnificent, so superb. You understand? But I'm going to have to buy a soap because my face is breaking out and I need to eat healthier. But come guys, I'm going to do my ear. Mama found out that it's wedding. And this is how I look now. This is how I look now. I don't know how to behave. I got a new hairstyle, guys. Hey TikTok. I reached back in and I decided to put on some person nails. But I go put it on weekend when I do my tour. But I decided to do it now because me not the feeling there, you know, me not the feeling there. So let's go. So guys, you start off by filing your 10 fingernails. Filing it properly until you see some white dust coming off of it. You file them around each crevice and every corner, so that when the glue is on the press-on nails, it would stick better because it's on a rougher surface. So you put the glue on the press-on nails, then you push up your cuticles. I did not show you that part, but you push up your cuticles and you put the glue on the press-on nails on your nails, and then you press it on. See, I'm pushing up my cuticles now. See, and then I put on the glue on the nails, and then I'll go ahead and put on the press-on nails on my finger. See, I push it up. See, I'm pushing it up while I place the press-on nails on my finger. Then I press it down, and this is the final result. So beautiful. Looks very natural, like they're acrylics. See, very nice. So guys, you can check out my business page at Dipped in Chocolate Merch to get your press-on nails. So guys, now I'm at the shipping company trying to get my things, because you guys know I sell press-on nails. I'm trying to get some products and get my my business back on the road. So let's go. So guys, I was heading to work and the police stopped the bus. So I ended up reaching late. Can't believe. Hi guys. So I'm going to show you guys what I got in my package. So I am just working today. Not really. Just for makeup sponge, iPhone case. Yeah. Press on. Yeah. Press on. But then a pocket. You can get some free. This is something for my eyebrow. Also, watch your AirPods case. I can want AirPods case. So at work, 2 of my co-workers bought 2 of my products. So I want to big up Lavie and big up Marche. Yes, so guys, you can check out my business at official Dipped in Chocolate Merch. So guys, I bought a watch and a bracelet for myself as a part of my self-care journey. Ooh, yes, yes. Ooh. Okay guys, so this is the next day. From the other day, I've been trying to do my makeup by myself, buying my products, buying my sponge and brushes so that I can, you know, execute the look. So guys, comment down below and tell me how my face look when this is finished. Guys, you know, I'm gonna get my little face. Though, me I try. You know, see me I try the little makeup thing. I'm not perfect yet because I need some better products. I need some foundation, concealer, all them something there. But see my hairstyle here. It's at waist length. Yeah, nice. I love it. I go check out my hairstylist at Makhalia Protective Hairstyle on Instagram. I got link it down in the description below. Yeah, my girl pretty and nice as always. The other thing that I wanted to do for my mental health and my self-care process is get my toes done. Let me show you my toes, guys. It's not giving. My toes, guys. Oh my god, I'm embarrassed to show you. I go up a test maybe a day in this week to get my toes done. I'm going to show you guys. These are press-on nails, you know, and look how them stay nice. I'll show you guys how to apply it. So I don't know, I forgot to say to me, say, oh, you apply the press-on nails them and them stay on so long and this and that. Yeah, girl, you can wear press-on nails. Yeah, press-on nails them stay on long. And some people them just don't know for them don't have the time to put on them nails by themselves. You rub off the sheen off your nails with the what is something name I can't remember. You rub it off, the whole 10 finger them, you rub it off. Don't damage your nails, you know. But rub off the sheen off it. When you rub off the sheen off it, you file on your nails. File it down and everything. And then you go so boom. Push up your cuticles them. And you put on glue on the press-on nails and pan your nails. And you apply it and push it up. Like you push it up in your finger. And then you just stay, and take care of yourself. Sometimes when I have to spend a heap of money for look good in the look at me. I have a foundation. No, I have a concealer I use as my foundation because I have a foundation but it's too light for my complexion. I'm not go on the road and look like no pinedo. But anyways, two things left back to be done for my mental health and my self-care journey. To do my toes and to get a soap for my face. I need a soap for my face. I don't know where I gotta get it. I also need to buy one foundation, you know. But I don't know when I gotta do that. I don't think it's in the video. But my toes, definitely my toes need to be done. Look at it, guys. Go back and look at it. Because this is not giving to my toes and to buy a soap for my face. Remember that you can recommend soaps that I can buy for my face down in my description below. I also need to eat healthier, but it's taking a little long time to learn to eat healthier because I try to drink water for an entire day and I feel so dizzy. Like I feel dizzy, guys. If you don't feel that way, comment down below. I'm ask somebody and them say yes, you can't drink water for this water alone. You have to eat something more sweet. I forget little sweetness in your body. I'm gonna say, for real, never come here. Drink the water, I'm gonna feel dizzy. So, I'm gonna try eat more vegetable than rice whenever I go and cook shop. Whenever I eat lunch at school, I say, give me more vegetable than rice. I'm gonna start with that. And drink water, but also have. And if I not believe in just drinking water straight alone because of how it affect me. So what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna buy a water and a juice. I'm gonna throw it half of the juice into the water. Half of the juice into the water and drink it like that. At least I have some sweetness. I can't do it like how I see some people but I drink water alone. I feel dizzy and faint. But guys, until a time for the tour and buy up my stuff them, I'll see you guys.
Makhalia, what you have there?
Oh, hi, we have press-on nails and we have AirPods case.
What's the price for those?
So press-on nails starting from $1,000 to $1,500 and we have the AirPods case starting from $1,200.
Really?
Yes, so come and get anything. 1-876-2266-461.
Where on campus can I find you?
Commuters Lounge or Union.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah, so I know some of this appear pound, but today's Monday night and my friend wanted to go out and she said she wanted me to accompany her, so I'm going. And this is a part of my self-care, right? I booked my appointment for Thursday to do my toes, so that will be done on Thursday. But tonight is a girls' night where I want to just relax and talk to the girls, and we're just going to swaddle in our emotions. And it's a girls' night. Is, you know, we just talk about what's bothering us and everything. This is my outfit, cute and nice. So let's go. Hey guys, so I just meet up with my girl.
Junk me. You know, after I'm on Thursday. We got to tell us something that mom.
It's chicken, it's Makhalia. Alright, darling, your girl. Your girl.
Watch this, darling. As long as you get over your heartbreak, you feel free to talk.
Something I've let off you. I'm stuck. Some girlie. This is that much
Hi guys. With me short.
I don't think I fucking know.
I feel like me not go jump on and go. Ah. So guys, this is the post office and this is the Glengale police station.
You can't chat to my friend them hype, them police station I fix up. Anyways, they're like, yeah, I grow square this, so that I grow up.
After 12. So guys, this is the next day. You guys gonna come with me for a drive to the hills. So guys, a part of my self-care journey, I decided to come up to the hills of my community for some relaxing time. So this is in Glengale. So beautiful, guys. Look there. Wow. So just come for the drive out. Yeah, so you guys can take in this while listening to some soothing music. So guys, we come to look at drive out and end up at Linstead. If you know how far Linstead is from my yard, you know, I reach far. Guys, after I booked my appointment to do my toes, the woman don't answer. Some say, alright, that's weird. She not answer. I said, that's weird. My friend was supposed to bring me to another nail tech who's going to do my toe at town. But even cheaper. And it looks good. My friend sick. I can't go with my friend because my friend have flu. So, I just cancel the tour and just put that money in something else. I'm going to go to the bank today and also get an ice cream or a drink. I deserve something. I deserve even one rum cream. So, I'm either going to buy one ice cream or one rum cream and deposit some money. And that's it for this vlog. Continue liking, sharing, commenting. Turn on your post notification bell to be notified when a girl Chocolate uploads another video.